the one in the last video that was making the noise. The second opinion behind the other company that quoted her $1,200 to replace this motor under warranty, and told her she needed a new furnace. So anyway, hose off. Gotta get that disconnected. So we'll get this off. My headlight on so I can see what I'm doing. Go ahead and put an extension on here. For that one. Snap that off. Yeah, it's a shame that you have companies that come out and try to take advantage of people. $1,200 for a motor that's under warranty on a furnace that's under 5 years old. And start talking about replacing. So, I mean, and I don't blame the technicians that go out necessarily. Always the technician. A lot of times it's just the business model of the company that they work for. And they get caught up in it. And the bearings. So, this one, gotta take this off. These actually, no, you don't take that off. I didn't know if that was a peel, a sticky. Let me see the other one. No, you leave it on there. Okay. So it already has the gasket on the back of it right there. Holes lined up. Okay. This one in. There we go. is covering the hole, or that's got to go up some. There we go. And where did the screw go that I dropped? There it is. Get this one in. Our hose hooked back up. For our draft and our pressure switch. Plug our power back up. And replace our zip tie. You'd be surprised how many people don't even put a zip tie back on. Leave the wires all hanging like a spaghetti. And this hook back up. And it does have that rubber gasket around it to help it with the seal. And we did install this unit, so I'm just putting this back the way it was. There's no adapter on the end of this that these are going to clamp to, like you would see over here with these rings. They just had screws holding it to the end of the housing, which is fine. It has that gasket seal on it, so when it slides on, it does make a seal around here, which is pretty good idea actually. And let's get it turned on and see what it sounds like. Much quieter than the other one. You have to go back and look at that video. You'll see how loud that one was. A couple of videos back, replaced both 9-year-old furnaces. It gives you more insight onto the original reason I was at this house. And it's a whole lot quieter. Problem solved. Didn't cost her $1,200, and she didn't need a new furnace. Companies out there like that, unfortunately. Like I said, it's not always the technicians that work there so much as the business model that they're hired to work under. So just keep that in mind. It's not always their fault. Some of them do take advantage of it, and those are the ones you got to watch out for. Anyway, guys, appreciate you watching. This one's fixed, and that's gonna be it. Like, subscribe. Have a good day.